What's up, fellow crewmates? Here's how you can get the Solas Plate Boots for Unka in Crimson Desert. This here is one of the very few plate armor pieces for Unka. The Solas Plate Boots offer 18 points in attack and 3 points in defense. It's got abyss gears that regenerate 0.1 spirit every second and a 2% multiplier in swim speed. You can get these boots from Shaka 2 in the Gold Leaf Guild House after you beat Chapter 2 of the main story. The condition is, though, you need to reach his maximum trust level first. To begin, buy all the flower baskets you can get from the provisioner's shop inside Hernan. You need at least 20 to 23 flower baskets. After this, go to the Gold Leaf Guild House and speak to Shaka 2. Keep gifting him the flowers until you reach 100 trust. When you achieve this, he'll hand you the boots as a gift. And congrats, you've just earned some new boots for Unka. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.